Here we have items from Pink Stork. I ordered a couple items online. Pink Stork is a company that has products for fertility. Let's go ahead and unbox. So inside they ended up sending me a thank you card along with a couple of Pink Stork stickers. These stickers can be used for your daily planner or anywhere you would like to stick them. Here's the Pink Stork guide telling you everything that they have for products available to purchase. You can also find this listing on their website. In my order, I purchased just a few things. First off, I ended up purchasing the Fertility Sweet Mint Tea. It's organic and caffeine free. This tea helps support fertility, balances and regulates cycles. Inside each of these bags there are 45 biodegradable sacks that make 90 cups of tea. You can drink this tea either hot or cold. You will find all the supplement facts on the back of the package. The next item I purchased was conception tea. Conception tea gently relieves constipation, it promotes healthy digestion, and is delicious hot or cold. Inside this can contains 15 biodegradable sacks and makes up to 30 cups of tea. For best use, drink 1 to 3 cups per day. Each sack produces 2 cups of tea. Here we have the Fertility Sweet Mint Conception Tea in the can. Contains 15 biodegradable sacks, makes up to 30 cups. This can ended up being shipped dented. All the ingredients are just listed right here on their label. For best use, drink 1 to 3 cups per day. Next we have the liquid prenatal vitamin. This is great for people that have a hard time swallowing pills. So this product is gluten-free, non-GMO and vegan, organic with whole food ingredient blends, better nutrition than pills and gummies. This bottle contains 32 servings. For the foundation liquid prenatal vitamin, shake well and take 1 tablespoon every day. You also may mix with a favorite beverage. I ended up purchasing 2 of them because 1 bottle pretty much gets you just 1 month worth of prenatal vitamins. These products are a great way to start your fertility journey. Thanks for watching this unboxing of Pink Stork. Look forward to my other videos with more Pink Stork and other unboxing videos as well. Feel free to click the subscribe button and follow me.